If you're tired of YouTube videos autoplaying when you stop scrolling your feed or hover your mouse over a video, then I'm going to show you in this video how you can turn this off on both mobile and desktop. So right now I'm on my YouTube home feed, and as you can see, YouTube has started autoplaying the video I'm currently sitting on. But if we want to turn this off, we first need to go to the U tab on the bottom right hand corner. From here, you'll see a small settings icon in the top right. Tap that, and you'll see a long list of different sections. The tab we're looking for is called General. Tap that and scroll to the very bottom. The option we want to change is called Playback in Feeds, and it determines whether videos will begin autoplaying. Tap that and set it to off. Now if we go back, we can see that videos are no longer autoplaying. Now let's go over how to disable autoplay on the web version. If you're on the web version, you'll notice that hovering the cursor over a thumbnail will either cause that video to autoplay or bring up a short preview. If you want to turn this off, you'll first need to head over to the sidebar and scroll down until you find the settings option. Select that, and from the sidebar in the settings menu, select the Playback and Performance tab. You'll see a few different options, but the one we're looking for is called Video Previews. If you turn this option off and head back to your feed, you'll see that videos no longer preview or autoplay. Let me know if you found this helpful, and feel free to subscribe for more tips just like this. Adios.